right, good evening, you guys. It is just about sunset, so you already know. Time to go enjoy the Z for a little. Of course. That's okay. We'll find a spot. We can actually turn right here instead. No, I really want to get past this guy. Okay. It's our time. Back way, hang this really quick. Right, of course there's people everywhere. It's okay, it's okay, we'll get our chance. Look at that sunset, my goodness, what a nice evening. Hopefully this guy's going left, but he's probably going right, like we are. Please go straight or left. Yay, he's going, no, 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 fire is life for me. You. I got the GoPro. Hell yeah. Man, I'm telling you boys, there's not even anyone in front of this guy. You're on a bicycle? I'm actually gonna make a U-turn right here just because I'm just enjoying cruising. Basically, going canyoning, you know, the sunset is amazing. Like, I love sunset canyoning. It's so beautiful out. But then again, it's like there's so many people out because everyone's like headed home around this time of day. So, you know, and it's not even the fact that this is annoying because obviously we're going pretty much the speed limit here. I just don't like staring at the back of someone's truck. That's just my pet peeve, of course. As soon as this opens up, you already know. All right, it's looking like it's about to be time. Nope, 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 nope. He knows I'm gonna do it. You can hear me downshifting. I see him looking in the mirror. It doesn't look like anyone's going left, which is amazing. We're taking this road here. Hey, that Jeep actually sounded pretty good. Oh, it's a symphony. I just love the way the V6 sounds. I don't know what it is. Yes, this is what I wanted. That sunset right there. Oh my goodness. And then this sound. Oh, just like at my fingertips, really. This straight right here, it's not super long, but it's just enough to get like, you know, one good third gear pull. Yes! I love this thing. I love this car. I just want everyone that's watching this video understand that I love this car. You're like, Johnny, why do you love this car so much? I'm telling you, it's like, just listen. why. Wow, that's why right there. Just with a muffler delete, like you can spend $1,000 on a Tomei exhaust, but just a muffler delete, I mean, it sounds so good. If you take the resonator off, you can really mess it up. It'll sound way too raspy, it'll sound too trumpety, but I mean, for some reason, just a simple muffler delete. It sounds, I mean, so clean. It's such a clean sound. As you guys know, this is the Nissan 350z Rev-up, so we're pretty much gonna go put oil in it right now. Any type of spirited driving like that, you definitely wanna up the oil, just at least when you're done, just top it off a little bit. Just so you know, next time you get in, you don't have to worry about anything, because these cars can go through oil pretty quickly. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, like, people dog the Rev-up engine, but I mean, this car will put a smile on your face, and you just have to spend like $4 or $5 on a quart of oil every few weeks. Like, it's really not a big deal. You really have to drive one and just, oh man. Just sounds so good, and the transmission in this car is so smooth, shifts so easily. Man, okay, I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. Just driving back into Temecula with this sunset in front of us. I don't even care if there's a truck in front of us right now. It's just, this time of night is so nice, and the weather outside, it's like 75. Go out and to have no destination, roll the windows down, crank your favorite song, and just look around and enjoy the weather, enjoy the view, and just enjoy life. It's amazing how free we are once you get a vehicle. And if you don't have a vehicle yet, just know that once you get one, you can experience all of this, and it's so worth it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't have my camera on me, I actually left it at work, so I'm just gonna end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you want to see anything specific with the 350Z. Like you saw in the previous post, the Miata will be back. It's getting the water pump and timing belt all fixed and everything. It'll be 100%, like, it's gonna be the best condition it's been in probably since it was brand new. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to you guys seeing that. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.